Imagine a world where soft whispers, the crinkling of paper, or the gentle tapping on a wooden table bring about a wave of relaxation and pleasurable tingles. This is a world where the smallest sounds can create a profound sense of peace and tranquility, enveloping you in a cocoon of calm. This is the world of ASMR, a phenomenon captivating millions worldwide. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, has become a global sensation, drawing people from all walks of life to experience its unique and soothing effects. ASMR videos, often featuring a variety of auditory and visual triggers, have become increasingly popular for their ability to induce a state of calm and well-being. These videos are meticulously crafted to include sounds and visuals that can help viewers unwind after a long day, providing a sanctuary of serenity in a chaotic world. From the gentle clinking of teacups to the soothing sounds of hairbrushing, ASMR content creators explore a vast array of sensory experiences. Each sound is carefully chosen to maximize the relaxing effect, creating a symphony of tranquility. ASMR content creators utilize a range of everyday objects and actions to stimulate the senses. Whether it's the rhythmic tapping on a glass jar or the soft rustling of leaves, these creators transform ordinary sounds into extraordinary experiences. The experience is often described as a tingling sensation that originates in the scalp and travels down the spine, accompanied by feelings of deep relaxation and contentment. This tingling, often referred to as brain tingles or brain massage, can be incredibly soothing and stress-relieving. While ASMR has gained significant traction in recent years, with dedicated YouTube channels and online communities, its appeal continues to grow. These platforms have become hubs for ASMR enthusiasts to share their favorite triggers and discover new content. Its origins and the science behind it remain a subject of ongoing research. Scientists are delving into the neurological and psychological mechanisms that make ASMR so effective, hoping to unlock its full potential. Nevertheless, the growing body of anecdotal evidence and preliminary studies suggest that ASMR may hold promising implications for stress reduction, sleep improvement, and overall well-being. As more people discover the benefits of ASMR, it continues to establish itself as a valuable tool for mental and emotional health. The popularity of ASMR has transcended online communities, garnering recognition and endorsements from celebrities and public figures. Their experiences with ASMR have helped to destigmatize the phenomenon and bring it into the mainstream conversation. Fionn Cotton, a well-known British television and radio presenter, has openly discussed her positive experiences with ASMR, stating, "It really helps me to relax. It's like a little brain massage." Such endorsements from influential figures have contributed to the normalization of ASMR, encouraging others to explore its potential benefits. As more individuals, including celebrities, share their positive experiences, the conversation surrounding ASMR expands, fostering greater understanding and acceptance. The term ASMR, short for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, was first coined in 2010 by Jennifer Allen, a cybersecurity professional with a keen interest in this unique sensory phenomenon. Allen's curiosity led her to explore the sensations she and others experienced, which were often described as tingling or static-like feelings on the skin. Prior to this formal definition, experiences now recognized as ASMR lacked a common vocabulary, often described through a variety of terms, like brain tingles or head orgasms. These sensations were frequently shared in online forums and communities, where people sought to understand and find others who experienced similar feelings. Allen's introduction of the term ASMR provided a much-needed framework for understanding and discussing this sensory experience. It allowed people to communicate more effectively about their experiences and facilitated the growth of a supportive community. It offered a neutral and scientific-sounding label, moving away from potentially misleading or sensationalized descriptions. This helped in gaining broader acceptance and interest from both the public and scientific communities. This standardized terminology paved the way for more structured research and exploration into the physiological and psychological underpinnings of ASMR. Researchers began to investigate the triggers, effects, and potential benefits of ASMR, contributing to a growing body of knowledge about this fascinating phenomenon. While the popularity of ASMR continues to grow, more and more people are discovering its unique effects. However, scientific research into its mechanisms and effects remains in its early stages, with much still to be uncovered. The subjective nature of the experience, coupled with the vast array of potential triggers, makes it a fascinating yet complex phenomenon to study. This presents unique challenges for researchers attempting to quantify and analyze ASMR, as each individual's response can vary greatly. However, this lack of extensive research does not diminish the validity of the experiences reported by millions worldwide who find comfort and relaxation in ASMR. Preliminary studies, often utilizing brain imaging techniques like fMRI, have begun to shed light on the neural pathways activated during ASMR experiences. These early findings suggest that ASMR may be linked to the activation of brain regions associated with reward, emotional regulation, and social bonding. These areas of the brain are crucial for our sense of well-being and connection with others. As research progresses, we can expect a deeper understanding of the complex interplay between sensory stimuli, brain activity, and the subjective experience of ASMR. This will not only validate the experiences of ASMR enthusiasts, but also potentially uncover new therapeutic applications. The future of ASMR research holds promise for unlocking the mysteries of this intriguing sensory phenomenon.